In this video, I would like to show you how to insert columns to table in LibreOffice Calc. So if you want to insert column, you need to select the position where you want to do it. So for example, I click on C column and then I need to click right mouse button here. After that, you need to select one from two available options. If you would like to insert columns before, you need to click on it and then it will be inserted before. But if you would like to insert column after, you need to click right mouse button on C column and then you need to select this one option, insert columns after. If you would like to insert more columns, you need to select them. For example, I will select two columns and then I click right mouse button on the column and I click insert columns before. It will be successfully added here. Remember that you can always try to use options from the sheet settings, but first of course you need to select the column, you need to go to sheet and you need to go to insert columns. And here you can find one from two available options. For example, I click on columns after and it will be inserted. So in this way you can easily insert columns in LibreOffice Calc. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.